Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Edge 30. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay app and tap a blue button at the bottom of the screen. Now focus on loyalty card, gift card and transit. Firstly, let's enter loyalty card and select card you would like to add, for example, Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Tap save and it's done. Now let's go back and select gift card. Similar to loyalty card, select shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. And the last card you can add is transit. If you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.